Today I have this 8-pack of plastic storage bins with bamboo lids. These were sent to me to Amazon Vine. So we're going to go through these together. I'll give you my honest opinion and help you decide if you're going with these or not. So they have this nice bamboo lid, and all baskets have handles, which is really nice. Makes it easy to pick them up, pull them out, and store them away. The lids shut really nicely, no problems there. And these baskets actually come with labels, which is a nice touch. So if you want to label your baskets, you can do that with these labels. These are peel and stick, so you just need a pen or a marker. So these baskets actually have this very nice clean look. Right now I know you see 6. I've got 2 in the back. They come in an 8-pack. The quality seems to be very strong. The lids are made of bamboo and the baskets are made of plastic, and I like that they can be nested together when you're not using them. So these would be easy to store away. Now I'm going to try and answer some of the questions that have been asked about these baskets. Can they hold heavy items? To be quite honest, they appear to be very sturdy, but I would honestly trade with caution. They do seem like they can carry a heavy amount of stuff, but that's just all going to depend with how heavy we're going. Next question, is the bamboo lid removable? I'm sure we've all seen that. Easy to remove, easy to put on. And lastly, are these easy to clean? Most definitely. You can wipe this down with wipes or paper towel or even a dishcloth. And just to give you a bonus, these are BPA-free, food grade plastic. So the use for these is endless.